In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Microsoft Outlook on desktop. Keeping Outlook updated ensures you get the latest features, important security fixes, and performance improvements. So this quick checkup is worth a minute of your time. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook desktop app. Once Outlook is open, look to the very top left corner of the window and click the File tab. This takes you out of your inbox and into the Backstage area where settings and account details live. On the left side, choose Office Account. Depending on your version, it may simply say Account, and that's perfectly fine. You'll know you're in the right place when you see product information on the right with details about your Microsoft 365 or Office subscription. Next, locate the Update Options button within the Product Information section. You'll see a few different choices there, but for this walkthrough, we're focusing only on updating Outlook. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to make sure you're connected to the internet and save any drafts you're working on, just in case Outlook needs a moment to refresh. Go ahead and click Update Now. Outlook will automatically look for and download the latest Microsoft 365 and Office updates that apply to Outlook. You don't have to hunt down separate patches. This takes care of everything in one go. The download time will depend on your connection and what's new, and you may see a progress indicator while it runs. You can continue working while updates download, but if Outlook needs to apply something that affects open windows, it might briefly pause or restart to finish the process. If you're on a work computer managed by your organization, the Update Options button could be grayed out or controlled by your IT department, and in that case, updates will arrive automatically when they push them. When the update finishes, you'll typically see a confirmation that you're up to date. And that's it. Your desktop Outlook is now refreshed with the latest improvements. To recap, you opened Outlook, clicked File, selected Office Account, chose Update Options, and then hit Update Now. Simple, fast, and effective. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss the next tip.